Hey Dheeraj, thank you for taking the time out and agreeing to have this conversation. It's a pleasure having you over here. Uh, while I know you are on the other side of the world, you are based of the United States, and you work in a precision-oriented manufacturing setup, highly sensitive environment, if I want to call it. So thanks for taking the time out. Maybe why don't you give a line or two about yourself, your background, your introduction, kind of a stuff.
Sure. So my name is Dheeraj Varpana. I work for a medical device manufacturing company. So my position is I'm a continuous improvement engineer for the company. So my the reason why I'm into the continuous improvement engineer was so I have seen the processes where the small changes will make a lot of impact on the process or a product. So for that reason, I chose my career to be a process improvement or a continuous improvement engineer. So that's the reason it has took me to this level. So I want to level up my skills. So for that reason, I have chose to go for a Lean Six Sigma Pro as a black belt training and get certified from them.
Oh,
So
that's cool, Dheeraj. That's very nice. And continuous improvement is the way of life, right? It's not only in the professional, but whatever you do, it has to be kind of continuously improved per se. And Lean and Six Sigma are the tools which is predominantly used and very effective if used in the right uh, manner. Uh, and good to know that you wanted to upskill yourself. But having said that, there could be plethora of options available to you, right? Well, so there are different institutes, different consulting organizations, uh, whom you could potentially have approached and got else you're upskilled. So what were you looking for when you were kind of evaluating different options? What was the thought process behind it, and how did you kind of zero on, or how did you arrive at a conclusion that Lean Six Sigma Pro should be able to give you those expectations of yours? So if you can spell
oh,
out about that.
yes, it's a very good question, Sangram. It's very, very important for anybody, anywhere to choose the right training courses and the person, right institute like Lean Six Sigma Pro. So the how I got into the Lean Six Sigma Pro was like I have seen a lot of options in United States where I have been talking to them, exchanging the emails, asking for like, what is your course structure and how will you explain me the topics? Like, is it a recorded based or is it the paper based or like, how do you certify me? Like, how will you give me the certification? Like most of the courses, what I have exchanged the emails with the institutes, they were like, few of them are pre-recorded videos. So I'm sure if I would have choose that, I would have not seen the upscaling from before the course from Lean Six Sigma Pro to after the course from Lean Six Sigma Pro. So even before this, I took a Lean Six Sigma Black Belt course, which is like completely paper based. It's like around 300 papers book, 300 pages book. They will give it to me. I have to read through it and they'll give like 100 questions. If I get 80 marks, I'll be passed. But there is no use at all. So
Yeah.
I was in the LinkedIn. I saw Mr. Srinivas, who was my trainer for in the Lean Six Sigma Pro. So I keep on talking to him like, hey, what is the course structure? He was like, oh, this is what. No, we do not do any paper structure course. It's everything is live, person to person. So we have developed the case studies, practical case studies, how you are going to solve these case studies. And during my training, he gave me the lot of reality examples. And even while I was solving my case study, I was so impressed. Like, oh, there are a lot of variations to improve in any process or a product. Before the joining into Lean Six Sigma Pro, I would have I do not know anything about these many process changes or process improvements or the variations in the process. So because of his training, Mr. Srinivas training, and the based on experimental case studies, I have learned a lot. I'm very confident that I have gained a lot of knowledge with the practical experience.
Absolutely, Dheeraj. So, in my experience as well, there's a vast difference between theory, if I want to call it, and the actual practical implementation part of it. So it's even in I have seen that where the entire training or conversations or is all about practical experiences, uh, situational context. So what happened in a particular context. So the concept remains the same, but how it gets tailored, how it gets implemented to give a particular context situation, that's absolutely very important. It's the way I see it is Lean Six Sigma is a set of tools, and which tool to pick up at the right point in time to address the problem. So the problem statement could be the same, but given the context, in one context, a tool A might be the relevant tool, whereas in context, another context, tool B might be a relevant tool. And the ability to identify which is the right tool is absolutely very important per se. So yes, you are absolutely right to know the practical implementations. And you mentioned about case studies as well, right? So it's not about only the theory, but the case studies also do play an important role. Very nice. So obviously, so those were the conversations you had with Srinivas before joining the course, and then typically also I've seen that the conversations which happen before you buy a product or a service and when you use the product or the service, typically sometimes there is a difference. So having gone through the training now, having yourself certified, did your expectations meet whatever conversations you had earlier? Did they really materialize in actual life?
Yes, even this is also a good question. So to prove what I have learned from him, so recently I have, because I have joined the Lean Six Sigma Pro and I have completed my training during this transition, I have been applying for a new jobs. I got selected to a very good precise medical manufacturing company. I'm so happy for that. I should be so thankful to Mr. Srinivas and Lean Six Sigma Pro and everyone who has supported me in the group in the training session. So I'm so happy for that. And thanks for providing such a fantastic service from your end. So that was the main achievement after this training for me, or in transition achievement for me. And once I'm done, I have completed my Lean Six Sigma green belt and I have joined in my new company. So whatever the manager was asking me, I was able to answer their questions and I have started thinking in a critical way and give some solutions for the new process developments. I'm so happy.
Oh, that's very nice, Dheeraj. So I can sense the happiness what you have in your voice, and I'm sure the value add of the training you could kind of showcase to your new organization, which is there. Good. So I believe that would be the starting point, or this is the starting point, and there are many more continuous improvements which you could drive in your current organization. Uh, but now, having finished your training, are you on your own per se, saying that, okay, or does Lean Six Sigma Pro and Srinivas say, okay, now Dheeraj, our association was only till training, now you go ahead, we have trained you, we have got certified you, now you are in the ocean, go ahead and kind of fend for yourself, or you still are in touch with Srinivas and the rest of the community?
So we have some group. So every time, like if someone has like any questions, like, hey, how can we solve these problems? Like I got trained for whatever the belt, whether it's a green or black. So I got stuck here, like I'm thinking, but I couldn't able to solve the problem. So the particular individual, they'll be posting the question in that group. So some people might have a better knowledge using those particular tools, where to use, when to use, how to interrupt the data. So they'll be guiding them like, hey, if you do this, if you think in this way, and if you follow these steps to implement this tool or follow this tool, you'll have the best results. And you can prove that whatever your improvements has the financial benefits. This how you can interrupt the data and explain to your manager. So I have been actively participating in the group. So there are a lot of Six Sigma general questions. It's not about like always asking about the problems. It's about like also like general questions like the basics of Six Sigma. How do you like, some people, some organizations, they'll forget about the people, but Lean Six Sigma Pro, they have every day, they'll at least post like 10 to 15 basic questions to keep on memorizing. So I'm so happy for that too. And thanks for everyone to giving me the opportunity to join the Lean Six Sigma community.
That's good. So that's the right word, the community part, which is there, right? Uh, because as a community, there is a lot of wisdom out there, and then we piggyback on each other's experiences. And I'm sure. So today you are in a medical device manufacturing setup, which is one kind of precision. I'm sure somebody else in the community might be in another domain where also it could be precision manufacturing, and I'm sure the underlying processes, the underlying improvements, there are a lot of ideas which could get exchanged. One is ideas, secondly, you're working on something, you get stuck somewhere, when a third person looks at it, you might have a different solution which is coming out. And obviously, when without divulging the IP or the company sensitive information, things gets exchanged between experienced practitioners. That's the beauty of this entire community setup. That's very nice. And I'm sure with your experience, you would also giving back to the community per se. That's very nice, Dheeraj. So we kind of, I understood, okay, what was your thought process for selecting Lean Six Sigma Pro, how it has benefited you, and how you're taking it forward along with the community. So it's a journey. It's not an end to it, and this is not the only conversations what we are going to have, right? Uh, but before we kind of move on, any feedback you have, any feedback you want to give to Lean Six Sigma Pro as an organization as to what we could do different, what we could do better to add more value to you, and how do we ensure that even we continuously improve? So any other feedback what you have for us?
So the first thing, the material provided by Mr. Srinivas, it's a clean, clear-cut material. Like you don't have to have any previous Lean Six Sigma experience to understand the words or the sentence or like what he's trying to explain. They're like basic words and they're like super easy. Anyone can understand. So that's the one thing I can definitely say, that's the best part of the course. And the
Yeah.
second thing, the experimental case study. So I have never seen this before. This is my first time experiencing that, and I really love it. And the participation is very important, where I did my part, most of my part. I love the participation and exchange the ideas like, hey, we can solve these problem in this way instead of that way. These are the backdrops if you go that way, like exchanging the information and the ideas. So even I love that experimental case studies. And finally, I will definitely 100% say, like, whoever wants to see their careers in the next levels, they have to join Lean Six Sigma Pro, whatever they prefer to, like green belt or black belt. They'll feel and see the difference between before and after the course. So I definitely highly recommend to join Lean Six Sigma Pro.
Sure. Thanks for those kind words, Dheeraj, and it's good to know that you have seen a lot of value in this. Now, one parting question and one last question. Now, since you are based out of the United States, no, while I understand Six Sigma as a methodology, it is uh, geographically agnostic, and it's a global methodology, and globally across the board, everybody has used it. Uh, but did you see or did you find any difference that having learned or being trained remotely, uh, where the time zones are maybe 12 hours apart as well? Uh, do you see it relevant even in that market? Lean Six Sigma Pro is based out of India, uh, but the trainings, the way it is conducted, uh, it is relevant even in the market like a United States. Do you see that relevance? And would you, uh, while you would recommend Lean Six Sigma Pro to others, but would you also recommend Lean Six Sigma Pro for your other colleagues, other friends based in the United States?
Yes, I will definitely suggest for my friends to join this course from Lean Six Sigma Pro. So I didn't feel like it is happening in India or some other country or some other part of the world, because it's a completely live based. I am going to see the trainer, and if I have any questions, I'm going to ask him at that point. And Mr. Srinivas has a lot of patience and he keeps on answering all of everyone's questions. I should really appreciate and thank Mr. Srinivas. Thank you so much. So I don't feel any difference. Like it's the same as classroom training, I feel. Even during my training, when I was taking the training, so he has showed like drawing all the live examples, like how do you calculate that, how do you see that, how do you estimate what are the financial benefits. So there is no difference, it's like same as classroom training.
Yeah, and that's the beauty of this technology, right? So, and that's the very positive thing which has come out of this current pandemic, which is there. So today, distances don't matter, and it has given us opportunity to kind of overcome that barrier of physically being present to there, and technology been kind enough to support us, and you get an experience like you're sitting in the same classroom and the same training room per se. Good to know that, Dheeraj, and very happy to know that you are finding value out of this entire association that you have with Lean Six Sigma Pro, and you have been able to kind of implement what you've been learning and seeing results, seeing the appreciation what you get in your professional career from your leadership in your organization. Very happy to know that, and I'm sure this is just the starting point. You will be able to add much more value to your organization and to yourself as an individual as well, going forward. So, like we said, this is not the only conversation. We will be constantly in touch, communicating with each other, learning from each other, and improving ourselves. So, really appreciate Dheeraj, and all the best for your future endeavors.
No problem, anytime. Thank you so much for Lean Six Sigma Pro and team for taking their time to giving this, giving and providing these fantastic courses for the people who are like wants to upskill their skills.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thanks, Dheeraj, and all the best.
Thank you.